Hello everyone, I am Ritesh and today we are here to practice our English.
Who did not have money?
I did not have money.
Why you did not have money?
I did not have money because I am poor. Do you have a pencil?
Yes, I have a pencil. Had a pencil.
Did you have a car?
Yes, I had a car. Did you have a computer?
Yes, I have a computer. Since when did you have a car?
Had car. I had car since. I had a car since 2 years. Was you happy?
Yes, I was happy. Do you have any marker?
Yes, I have a marker. Do you have a sister?
Yes, I have a sister. How many members in your family?
There are 5 members including me. And how many people? How many member in your family?
I have also 5 members in my family, including me. How many people in your relatives?
There are many people. Were you tired after the match?
Yes, I was tired after the match. Are you also tired?
Yes, I was also tired after the match.
Why are you tired after the match?
Because my stamina is low. And why did you tired after the match?
My stamina was also low, so I am tired after the match. Do you have any friend?
Yes, I have many friends.
What is your best friend's name?
My best friend name is Aman. And what is your best friend name?
My best friend's name is Harshit.
Are you happy yesterday?
Yes, I was happy yesterday. And do you have something new for me?
Yes, I have many things new for you. And how was your day today?
My day was good today. And how was your day today?
My day was also good. But क्या question?
How many peoples do you know in your relatives?
I know many people in my relatives.
Can you sorry. Do you have any pen?
Yes, I have many pen. Do you have a marker for me?
Yes, I have a marker for you, but at home. Do you have something special?
Yes, I have something special. Do you have anything special for me?
Yes, I have something special for you.
Why are you learning English?
I am learning English because to upgrade myself. And why are you learning English?
Because I want to upgrade my skills in English.
How was Aman sir teach English?
Aman sir teaches English very good.
Do you have any brother?
Yes, I have one brother.
What was the name of your brother?
My brother name was Robin.
Do you have any sister?
No, I didn't have any sister. मैं पूछूं? Did Aman sir teach English?
Yes, Aman sir teach English. How many friends do you have?
I have many friends. And how many friends do you have?
I have many friends in my friend circle, but the only one friend is my best friend.
Did Aman sir teaches math?
Yes, Aman sir teaches maths. What is your maths teacher name?
My math teacher name was Aman.
What is your best friend's name?
क्या बोला? My my best friend name is Robin.
In which class do you study?
I study in 9th class. And which class do you study?
I am also in 9th class. In which class do your brother study?
My brother didn't study in school. My brother is in college. What is your school name?
My school name is Government Sarvodaya Koid Vidyalaya. And what is your school name?
Quite. My school name was also government quite क्या था? Government सर्वोदय quite विद्यालय.
How many teachers in your school?
There are 32 teachers in my school. And how many teachers are in your school?
There are 40 teachers in my school. How many subjects do you study in this tuition?
I study all subject in this tuition. And how much subject do you study in this tuition?
I am also study all subjects including maths in this tuition. Why are you taking tuition?
Because I am so weak in studies, so I take tuition. And why do you take tuition?
I am also weak in study, so I take tuition. Thank you all of you to watching the video.
Thank you everyone for watching the video.